Hey y'all, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I styled my natural hair. No, I'm just playing. This is actually a human hair headband wig that I got from LuvMe Hair. This one is actually 18 inches and it's in the style Jerry Curl. It looks so much like my natural hair. Let's jump straight into this video. So this is the package that it came in. It says LuvMe Hair Affordable Luxury Wigs and it's in this purple box with this purple bow on it. It feels luxury to me. It is Brazilian hair, 18 inches long. I have my hair up in a bun. I'm not using a wig cap today, so we're just gonna see if this is one of those quick and easy slap and go headband wigs. I'm going to be unboxing this for the first time with you guys. So in the box, it comes with the hair, quite a few different headbands in there. That's convenient. So it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LuvMe Hair. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. An edge brush in here, some tweezers, and it comes with its own wig cap. And it also comes with this LuvMe Hair care instructions guide. Now to jump into this hair. This is the little package that it came in. Super cute. I like the purple vibe that they got going on. So this hair that I ordered, it is 18 inches and it is Brazilian hair. On the LuvMe Hair website, this one is listed as the Jerry Curl Affordable Headband Wig. So far, it feels extremely soft and it has a natural hair color to it like a 1B. It's not jet black. As for cap construction, it comes with 4 combs, one in the front, one on each side, and then also one in the very back. And then the headband that's secured on it already is black. I can already tell this is gonna be really pretty once I comb it out. Now I'm gonna install this on my head and then I'm gonna comb out these curls for you guys and tell y'all what I think. And I'm also gonna try on one of those headbands with this because it came with so many cute little options. I have to try at least one of them on for y'all. The headband wig has been installed. This reminds me so much of my real natural hair for anybody who is looking for that everyday curly hair, quick on the go look. I'm gonna use my curly hair brush and some water to comb out these curls. It is super soft. It did shed. This is how much shedding that I got from this hair fresh out of the box after combing through all the curls. That much. Not crazy. That's actually pretty normal for a curly hair unit. Now for these headbands. So they have a double-sided Velcro adhesive like on the back of the headband that comes attached to the hair. 5 headbands with this unit. One in white, this gray with little golden stars all over it, leopard print, black with white polka dots, and this velvety one in a pretty tan color with little white pearls on it. That is so cute. I think I'm gonna go with the leopard print one. This is just such a creative idea, you know, hair headbands. How convenient and quick hair has advanced over the years. You can style this in so many different ways. A simple side part. fold all the way out of your face to the back like this. A simple half up, half down hairdo. Let's see a high ponytail. You can switch it up and turn this ponytail into a bun for that really cute, effortless, curly bun look. You can do a half up, half down bun. So for a length check, this says that it is an 18 inches, which it goes right underneath my chest, so that looks right to me. I would personally recommend washing this hair out of the pack because it does have a very light smell to it, and then you can style it as you please. I only used water to comb through these curls because I like my curls to be more natural and fluffy. Straight out of the pack, they're very tight and defined. Still pretty just like that if you like your curls more tight like that, but my natural curls are a lot looser like this. You could style it simply with water, or you could use conditioner if you want something more defined. That is all that I got for this LuvMe hair review, you guys. I do have a 20% off discount code for y'all, and it's Kim20. So if y'all want to go to their website and check out any of their full hair wigs, their hair headbands, or any of their other hair products, you can save 20% on your purchase with my discount code. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on all the notifications to be notified the next time that I post. And thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.